What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I want to share with you guys my experience with Apple warranty. So basically I had my iPhone 11 Pro for almost 7 months or 8 months I believe, and I started having some issue with this phone screen. Basically the screen started flickering, and also I had like 1 or 2 dead pixel. I don't know exactly if that was like dead pixel or just screen was just turning bad. I don't know. So basically I needed to get this phone fixed because I paid full price for this phone, $1,000. This phone is a 64 gig analog global version, and I really like this phone. So I contact Apple through Apple website, the warranty check webpage, and basically I opened a request for sending repair. So they sent me an email back, and they told me basically to take this phone to UPS and just give them the phone and get a receipt from them. So I did that. I went to UPS. I didn't have to give any box, the charger, anything. Just gave them the phone. They gave me a receipt, and I asked them, are we good? And they told me, don't worry, we'll send this phone over to Apple, and they will take care of it. So I got this phone back. Been almost 2 weeks, and I'm really excited. I already opened the box just to make sure the phone is there, before I make this video. So yes, I did open the tape and stuff, and I did cover my name and the address here. So I want to share with you guys my experience, and I was really happy with their service. Basically they gave me an email with the order number, and I was keep checking my status, the repair status. So they did send me a notification when they received the phone. They did send me a notification when they were basically servicing this phone, and also they did send me a notification when they shipped this phone out to me. So let me open this box real quick and show you guys the phone. So it did come in this regular box, and here they included AppleCare service products summary. So basically what they did with my phone, what they fixed. So they basically replaced the phone screen, and also they replaced the battery. I don't know why they replaced the battery. I'm happy they did it, but I don't know why. The phone battery was pretty good, so I'm really happy they replaced the screen and they replaced the phone battery. So kudos to Apple, they did a great job. Now let me just cover my information so you guys can see rest of the stuff here. Hopefully you guys can see. All right. Okay, so now let me show you guys the phone. Phone serial number does matches with my old phone, so they didn't just replace this phone, they did repair this phone. And also the box have my address on it, and then my IMEI MEID number and the parts model number here. So let me show you guys the phone. So you guys can see the phone right here. I know the plastic have little bubble on it, so let me just peel this plastic off. Oh, didn't make any noise, sorry. All right, so you guys can see the phone right here. This thing is literally brand new, guys. Okay, the front, here is the back. Okay, I would like to show you guys the side, but I don't think I don't think. Okay, so the side right here, hopefully you guys can see. All right, and the condition of this phone is literally like, I don't know, new. I don't know if they polished the side. I don't know if they changed the silver like housing. I don't know what they did. Now I don't see any scratches, so looks brand spanking new, guys. All right, now let me just turn it on. Okay, and the phone does have some juice, so it's powering up right now. Right, it's gonna take some time. So yeah guys, I was really happy with their service. Like, that's like my first phone like I ever like sent in for repair. And like I say, I don't even have the paid warranty. Like, I have like a regular Apple 1-year warranty, and they did a great A+ job. Like they were keeping me up to date, you know, and I was really excited, guys, and that's the reason I'm making this video. So you guys can see phone did power up. So real quick, let me just go through the settings. All right, let's not set up right now. All right, so I don't see any flickering going on right now, because before, basically the problem I had with the phone, basically the screen was flickering and I had like dead pixel somewhere here. So I don't see any dead pixel. So they definitely replaced the screen, and this screen looks beautiful. All right, guys, so you guys can see. Okay, so basically before, the screen, like I said, the screen is to flicker. Like right now, like if I just tap on any app, like you don't see the screen is like shaking or anything. All right, so close that, maybe go to podcast right here. Okay, like everything is working how it's supposed to. So the screen is good. Let me check the camera real quick. Allow, continue. Let me show you guys the camera, so you guys can see the camera is working also. All right, okay, let me change the camera. All right, and how about this one? All right, so the camera is working good also. How about the speaker? All right, so you guys can hear this speaker here. All right, and let's see YouTube. Right, guys, so you guys can hear the speaker is also good. All right, so we got a product from Tony. All right, guys, so I'm really excited, and I really wanted to share with you guys, because I didn't see any update video about this issue. I know a lot of you guys maybe own Apple product, and you guys maybe want to know, you know, what do you have to go through in order for you to maybe, you know, get your Apple iPhone fix or Apple iPad fix or laptop or desktop. So that's the reason I made this video. If you guys want me to make videos about this Apple iPhone 11 Pro and share with you guys my experience, because I did use this phone for a couple months and I personally like this phone. That's my main phone. With this phone, basically I shoot you know, sometime videos for my YouTube, sometime virals and stuff. I live stream with this phone time to time. So yeah, guys, let me know if you guys want to see any other video about this phone. And I'm just happy with Apple warranty service, and I'm not making this video so I can make Apple look good. I just wanted to share with you guys my experience. So definitely worth it, guys. Let me know what do you guys think, and leave your comment in the comment section. And if you guys are watching me for the first time and you did like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys next one. Peace.